everyone, what's up? My name is Abby and welcome to Limitless Me Hub. Today, I'm gonna crack open a chapter from my life story. It's a journey that took me from overcoming struggles to living a life overflowing with possibilities. A life I call limitless living. Now, before we dive in, let me just show you a quick glimpse of what that limitless living looks like for me. Pretty cool, right? Growing up, things weren't exactly easy. My family and I faced some tough financial times. Let's just say money was a constant source of stress. But you know what? Maybe that hardship was a blessing in disguise. It planted a seed in me, a burning desire to build a better life, a life where financial worries wouldn't hold me back. That desire led me down the path of becoming a certified critical care registered nurse. Working in that critical care unit, I witnessed the full spectrum of human experience: birth, joy, love, loss. It was intense but incredibly rewarding. I held hands, soothed anxieties, and helped countless people through some of the most important moments in their lives. It was fulfilling, but a nagging question started to creep in. Was this all there was? Was I truly living my life to the fullest? That feeling wouldn't go away. I craved more freedom, more purpose. I wanted to make a bigger impact, not just on patients, but on the world around me. That's when I embarked on a new chapter, a quest to unlock my full potential. And guess what? The key turned out to be affiliate marketing. It opened the door to entrepreneurship and financial freedom. But financial freedom was just the beginning. It gave me the chance to redefine what living a good life meant for me. For me, limitless living is about traveling the world, creating memories with the people I love, and exploring the beauty of nature. It's also about empowering others to chase their own dreams and live life on their terms. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like contributing to something bigger than yourself, making a positive difference in the world. This is just the beginning of my limitless living journey, and I'd love for you to come along for the ride. On this channel, we'll be diving deeper into these ideas, exploring different ways to achieve a limitless life, and maybe even having some fun along the way. For those who want to learn more about my story or even explore affiliate marketing for yourselves, check out the link to my website, limitlessme.ca, down in the description below. Remember, everyone has the potential to live a limitless life. It's about breaking free from limitations and pursuing what truly sets your soul on fire. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and chase your own limitless adventure.